welcome back to our EVS class. I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. So let's start our class. Today we are going to start new chapter of social study, that is major landforms of the world. What do you mean by major? Major means big and landform means different types of land like mountains, plains, desert and delta. We all know that the earth's surface is made up of land and water. 29% of the earth's surface is covered by land while water covers 71%. The surface is not uniform, means it is not same everywhere. Some parts are flat land while some parts are raised like mountains and plains. In this class we will learn about mountains and valley. Let's start with the mountains. What are mountains? A land portion which raised from the surrounding land in a limited area called mountains. What are mountains? A land portion which raised from the surrounding land in a limited area. Okay. Mountains are big and tall. It has a peak and sloping side. What do you mean by peak? The highest point of a mountain is called a peak. This is peak and these are sloping sides. Okay. Mountains are usually above 300 meters in height. Mountains are different in height and shape. This difference due to the age of the mountain. Some mountains have rounded peak. This is rounded peak. Some mountains have conical peak. Conical means pointed peak. Okay. For example, the Himalayas are young mountains with a conical peak, while Aravallis are old mountains with a rounded peak. Now, which is the highest mountain peak in the world? Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Okay, now let us see mountain range. What is mountain range? Several mountains join to form a chain of mountains. It's called a mountain range. What is mountain range? A continuous chain of mountain is called a mountain range. Okay. A continuous chain of mountains is called a mountain range. For example, the Himalayas mountain range. Now let us see the importance of mountains. Mountains act as barrier. Barrier means to stop, rokna. Okay. Mountains stop hot and cold winds. Mountains are sources of many great rivers. Means rivers originate from mountains. River किससे originate होती है? From mountains, because snow melts and become river. These rivers provide water for irrigation and other daily needs of the people living near them. Okay, now third one is mountains are rich in minerals. These minerals wash down to the plains by rivers. जब ये रिवर फ्लो होती है तो क्या होता है कि मिनरल्स भी वॉश डाउन हो जाते हैं टू प्लेन. ओके. दिस मिनरल्स रिच एंड फर्टाइल सॉइल इज गुड फॉर कल्टीवेशन. एंड नेक्स्ट इज मैनी माउंटेन डिस्ट्रिक्ट्स आर फेमस फॉर हॉलीडेज बिकॉज द कूल क्लाइमेट इन समर अट्रैक्ट पीपल एंड टूरिस्ट. नाउ लास्ट वन इज mountain slopes are used for building dam to produce electricity. Where there are river, जहाँ पर river होती है वहाँ क्या होता है? Mountain slopes used for produce electricity. Okay. Now let us see mountain pass. What is a mountain pass? A pass is a natural gap in the mountain range. The pass is a natural gap in the mountain range. This gap has people to cross over to the other side. hills, often with a river running through it. A valley is a low flat land between mountains or hills, often with a river running through it. The valley is a good place for people to settle because good water and fertile soil available here. This is good for cultivation. The valley of flowers in Uttaranchal and the Brahmaputra valley are the examples of valley. Now let us revise once again. What is mountain? A land portion which reached from the surrounding land in a limited area is called a mountain. And what is peak? The highest point of a mountain is called a peak. Okay. Next is mountain range. A continuous chain of mountains is called a mountain range. Okay. Now next is mountain pass. What is a mountain pass? A pass is a natural gap in the mountain range. Okay. Next is valley. What do you mean by valley? A valley is a low flat land between mountains or hills, often with a river running through it. Okay. Let us see the picture of this platform.
Now let us see the picture of mountains, mountain range, mountain pass and valley. What is this? This is mountains. And what is this? This is mountain range. Now next is, what is this? This is mountain pass. And last one is, what is this? This is valley. That's all for today's class. Thank you.